Hello Saturnians. So today I am going for a walk around my area and I thought I would take you along with me so that you can see what my side of the world looks like during autumn, because we are officially in autumn. I am fortunate to live in an area surrounded by green and nature, so I come here very often with my tarot cards, just to do readings for myself, sometimes even for my clients, connect with my cards, especially those cards which are related to nature. Look how beautiful. Even in autumn, we still have beautiful flowers like this one. And I just need to find a nice spot and I will sit down and show you some cards. I'll start with the Tarot of the Secret Forest, which is a deck that I only use for myself. I don't use it for client reading. Okay, it looks like a good place to sit and show you some cards. Oh, look, this lizard. So beautiful, so colorful. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you some cards and let me find them. Okay, this is the Lovers. I don't use this deck for client reading. At first, when I got this deck, I could not relate the images to the meanings of the cards. But as soon as I started bringing this deck with me to my walks in nature, then everything started making sense. So I think that sometimes we need to take the tarot deck to its natural habitat to, understand the meanings. And when I bring my clients here, we find a spot, I bring some coffee, but still I don't use this deck. In this case, I will use the Wildwood Tarot, for instance, that I like very much as well. This is a Strength card, so beautiful. The Hermit, I love this one. Ace of Swords. Seven of Swords. I love it too. One of my favorites. If I attempt to use this deck in my office, the readings are not as clear as they turn out when I am here with this tarot deck, alone with myself, me and my cards. Ten of Swords, I love this one too. The Star. And the Devil. I think this devil is adorable. I'll show you a little lake around this area. The Nine of Cups. This deck has, the other side is black and white, but for some reason I don't like the black and white side of it. I prefer the colorful side. Look how pretty. Seven of Cups. Even the colors match the nature around me. Two of Cups. the lovers again. So now I'll start going back home, so I'll walk back. This is just 2 streets from my house, and it's pretty quiet, and I come here very often too, just to sit and relax with my uh, tarot cards. And sometimes I do readings for my neighbors also here in this place. There is a tree that I like, this one. I'll just bring a towel, bring coffee and my tarot cards, and we're gonna sit under this tree and do some readings. This is the Wildwood Tarot. All my neighbors are nature lovers, that's why we live in this area. And I find that it's really easy for them to connect with the Wildwood Tarot. So I always bring it with me to read for my neighbors who come to this place. And we'll do some readings. Oh, this is my favorite 5 of Cups in the history of tarot. Because its meaning is not the traditional meaning. And this card speaks so much to me. So much. I like this one too. So, yeah, the sun is going down now, so I'll start going back home. That I live just 2 streets away from this place where I am now. And I hope you enjoyed seeing the nature around my neighborhood, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.